Now if you are still buying data with *321 hash, you have been wasting a whole lot of money, meaning you are leaving a lot of money on the table. Now there are so many problems in Nigeria, and data shouldn't be one of them, because in this video I'll be sharing with you 5 data codes you'll be using to buy cheap data from any network. In fact, this data code is what I used in uploading this video on YouTube. Now this works for MTN users, Glo users, or Airtel users. Now the first data code is *312*88 hash. Now before you run to your phone and go and type this code on your phone and start buying this data, now you have to listen carefully to the theory behind this data code so you can use it effectively. Now this data code are for those who want to get enough data for a whole month with just little money. With this code you get 1 gig of data with additional 500 MB for just 200 naira for a whole month. If you multiply this by 5, that is 5 gig of data with additional 2.5 gig, which is 7.5 gig for just 1000 naira. Now this works for MTN users. Now for Airtel users, Glo users, stay tuned. Now before we move down to the next data code, if you're seeing this face for the first time, my name is Onoma Evans, and what I do in this channel basically is that I show you basically the easiest way you can start making money online. I show you related tech videos, productive videos that can improve your skills, and also I teach you how you can start your own online business right here on the internet. Now if this sounds interesting to you, please, I would love you right now to subscribe to this channel, subscribe and turn all the bell notifications. As you are doing that, please like this video, is very important. Thank you very much in advance. Let's move down to the next data code right here. Now for the next data code, this solely depends on the top deals that is going on the network right away. Now this is basically the promotions and the top deals which is currently going on that network, and this might vary depending on the time you are watching this video and depending on the time you are entering this data code and subscribing for this very plan. Now the code to that is *121 hash. Once you click on that, you have to click on the first one, which is number 1, top deals for me, which is 1. Click on that and you're going to see that they are going to be showing you the top deals that is currently going on recently on that network. As you can see right there, they said enjoy 2.25 gigabytes for just 1000 naira. Right now this is the top deal that is going on right now on this very network. If you are entering this on an entirely different date and time, this might be giving you another result. Why? Because this basically runs on the current promotion and top deals that is going on the network right now. Now this is also for MTN users. Now for Airtel users, the next one is for you. Now for the next one, the code to that is basically *312*10*1 hash. Now this is basically what I use in uploading this video on YouTube right now. Now with just 2500 naira, this gives you a weekly bundle of over 6 gigabytes of data, a bonus of over 2 gig of data, and a YouTube night plan of over 80 gigabytes. That is massive, and this is extremely crazy when it comes to Airtel. If you are the type that use YouTube very well, or you are a YouTuber, or you are a content creator, this will favor you most in consuming data, in uploading your videos, or streaming YouTube, or doing any sort of work on the internet. Now this will work very well for old Airtel users. For new Airtel users, this might also work for you. Anyways, go ahead and type the code right now and take advantage of this very opportunity right away. So let's move down to the fourth data code right away. Now if you are getting value from this video, please don't deny me the access of liking this video. Subscribe if you have not done so. This will cost you nothing by subscribing. Subscribing is free, you are paying nothing. Subscribe to the channel and like this video and share to your friends who need this video. You have people right there who need this video. Share it to them and they are going to thank you a lot for this very opportunity. Now if you have any questions so far, if you have any concern, if you have any trouble entering this code or getting this data plan, please let me know in the comment section. I will do it to reply to everyone right away. Now for the next data code to die is *121 hash. Click on send and you're going to click on 2, which is data for me. Right, this is data for you. Now for this, you have the opportunity to get 14 gigabytes of data for just 3500 naira, and you have to get 5.4 gigabytes of data plus 2 voice minutes for just 2000 naira. Now this is a great opportunity for you right now to dive in. Now this might actually differ because this is like data for you. A data for you can be different from mine. You might be getting yours, you might be getting like 50 gig for just 5000 naira, or someone else might be getting, let's say, 5 gig for 1000 naira. Now for me right now, I'm getting over 14 gig for just 3,500 naira. Now this is also for MTN users. You can drop right in right now and take advantage of this. Now for Glo users, let's move down to the next one right away. Now for this next one, some of you might already be familiar with this very data code or this data plan. Now this works for nights, right? Now with this you can get 3.7 gig of data for just 600 naira, which is valid for 5 nights. Now for this, the code to that is your normal traditional *312 hash. Then click on send, click on buy data. You're going to click on proceed to 2, which is one off. Then you're going to go over to 7, number 7 right here. You're going to click on number 2, which is 120 for 750 MB. Now you can multiply this as long as you want. Let's imagine you want to upload a YouTube video of over, let's say 5 gig. You can buy this data plan, you can multiply it to 5 to 4. You can get almost about 4 gig for just over 700 naira, and you can use it to upload that video on YouTube. And this is an opportunity for you to make use of a huge amount of data for just little amount of money. But the disadvantage is that you can only use it at night, which is from 12 to 5 a.m. So let's move down to the next one, which is the last one right now. Now I literally add this as a bonus for those that watch to this very end. If you watch to this part of this video, you are family. Please kindly subscribe if you have not done so. Right, as a family you have to subscribe and make sure you turn all bell notifications and like this video, and also let me know in the comment section if you watch to this very part. Let's move down to the last data plan right away. Now the code to that again is *121 hash. Right, click on send. Now you're going to click on number 4, which is the smart data. Click on number 4, which is the smart data. You can see that they are asking you 1 day offer or 30 days off. Now let's go for 30 days first. Now if you click on 30 days offer, as you can see right here, they are giving us 7 gig for over 1,500 naira, and they are giving us 11 gigabytes for just 2,500 naira. Imagine getting 7 gig of data for 1.5 and getting 11 gig of data for 2,500 naira. That's a big steal. And let's go over to the 1 day data plan and let's check for 1 day data plan. You can see that for 1 day you can get 4.5 gigabytes for just 1,000 naira, and you can even get 1 gigabyte for just 250. Now these are the best data code you'll be using to buy data from now, instead of using your regular traditional *312 hash to buy data. With this data code that I'll share with you in this video, you can get a whole lot of data with just little amount of money without breaking the bank. And this gives you enough flexibility to save more money and focus on other problems. Share this video to someone. There are people out there who need this information. Share it to them. Don't keep it to yourself, and they are going to appreciate you for it. Now if you know this video helped you in one way or the other, please like, subscribe, and join this family. Now you can join, you can contribute by using the times button right here, or you can join this channel for more exclusive updates in my inner circle. Also, if you want to join my Telegram community, the link is down there in the description and the comment section. You can join our Telegram community for more updates. I have some videos lined up right here. We'll see you right here right away. Bye for now.